क्या आपकी वेबसाइट की स्पीड स्लो है या फिर पेजेस इंडेक्स नहीं हो रहे, तो इन इशू को जरूर चेक करें। फर्स्ट, accessibility issue. It refers to things that can make it hard for search engines to navigate and understand your website. It's about making your website user-friendly, like adding description to images and using right code in your web pages. Second is performance issue. The things that make websites slow and lower their search rankings. This happens when media files are too big, subbocks are too slow, or web pages takes too long to load. To do well, websites should load in less than 2 seconds and work smoothly for users and search engines. Third is crawlability issue. Things that affect the website crawlability by the search engine, crawlers or bots. To improve the crawlability, set up robot text files and sitemap correctly. Fix broken links and make sure all of the pages are connected through internal links. Fourth is interactability issue. Interactivity means preserving a smooth user experience while smart use of JavaScript, progressive enhancement techniques, and easily accessible interactivity elements. For more such content, follow Quibus trainings. Thank you.